guys, it is your tech queen, and I have a short simple tutorial on how to zip and unzip a folder. Just to start off, guys, I know you have seen this type of folder before and wondered what the heck does this mean. And just to keep it short, a zip folder is a folder that compresses files and makes the files easier to transfer when like sending them through email or send them any kind of way. It just makes the files smaller in one folder, so it makes it easier to transfer them, easier to move them around, things of that sort. A lot of people do use another party to do this, but you do not need one. In most cases they use WinZip or ZZip applications to go ahead and unzip these folders, but I'm going to show you the easiest way, and works probably most of the time, depending on what type of PC you're using or what version you're on. So this is a Photoshop zip folder. I'm gonna use it for just example wise. So basically this folder apparently have files that are too big to transfer or to be downloaded. A lot of times when you download things, you get a zip folder for the download and they won't let you click it and get to your links, and that is because it is compressed. So you need to extract the files out of it, and so you'll be able to have access to the files and be able to download whatever you're trying to download or access it. So I'm gonna go ahead and right click here, and I'm going to extract all. So extract all is going to extract all the files from the folder. So the next screen that comes up is select the destination and extract files. So what you're going to do is pick where you want the files to go. After you take them out, where do you want them to go? And for this purpose, I'm going to do desktop so you guys can see. Next, you could check on or off show extracted files when complete. It doesn't really matter. You could just click the folder and go to them, or you can have it pop up automatically. So I'm going to go ahead and extract these. It's going to come up a folder here. And there is your regular vanilla folder that you're used to seeing. It doesn't have the zipper because it is now not zipped up. So it is now uncompressed. So I'm going to go ahead, double click here, and you can see it comes up with the license, the readme, and all that good stuff that the Photoshop wants us to receive. And so now the next question is, how do you identify if the folder is compressed even though it has a zipper? Just for GP, you can right click here and you go to properties, and in properties, of course, you're gonna have your zip. It's going to tell you compressed zip folder, so it tells you right there that this folder is guaranteed zip. Also, another big thing to kind of show you guys of why we do zip files and why we don't. Right here, the size matters here. It's going to go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and open up the other folder, go to properties, and we're going to do a comparison for you guys. So as you can see, this size versus this size, it is a difference. So the compression makes it smaller, again makes it easier to transfer, download, or whatever you're trying to do. It just makes it more transferable. Okay, so that is how you check the size as well as if it's zipped or not, even though it does have a zipper on it. So how do you zip a folder back up? Say you want to create a folder, which I'll show you in a few, and you want to zip it back up. Just because this folder is here, I'm going to show you is as simple as doing the same steps, which is right click, and you're going to compress to zip file. You're going to get a new folder, and here you have a zip file from the file that you originally had, which is going to make those files again more compressed, all in one folder, easier to transfer or download. Alright, so let's say you want to create a folder, rather, because I know we're basing it off a folder that's already made. So you want to create a folder. I'm going to just go to a destination here, and I'm going to right click and do new, and I'm going to create my folder. So I'm going to just do sample, create a sample. I'm going to go in sample and actually Control V, paste the pictures I already had copied. And I'm going to go back, and now my sample folder have 3 photos in it. Please wear your mask, guys, around people. COVID is going up. Alright, so we're going to go back here, and we're going to right click sample, and we're going to just compress to zip file again. And again, we're going to have our new zip file. So guys, I hope that was short, simple, straight to the point. I hope you guys like this content. If you have any questions or comments or want me to cover anything, please drop it below. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you guys again.